Do you ever have one of those days that starts out like this, but thankfully ends like this? Hello everybody! I've made some good progress on the golf cart buggy. Let's get right into it. I picked up some pre-bent tubes at my local auto parts store and used them to create an exhaust system. The challenge I'm faced with for the exhaust is that the header exit is pointed straight into the CV output of my drive gearbox. I need to quickly turn the exhaust away from the CV and also get it above the body panels. No problem, right? Just a couple quick measurements and a cut here and then weld it together. Easy peasy. Okay, maybe a few measurements and several cuts. Finally, I got all the pieces cut and marked how they will go together. Now I can tack weld them in place and get the exhaust system mounted on the buggy. I'm reusing the muffler that was on the street bike that this engine came out of. It stopped raining and the sun came out for a bit. So, I rolled the cart outside to get a good picture of it, and so I could sweep the shop floor. Without the golf cart body on the back of it, it looks pretty sparse. There's actually not much to the frame back there. The next thing that I tackled was to finish up some of the cross bracing in the back of the frame. I wanted to button up some of this so I could figure out where and how I could mount things like the radiator, oil cooler, and fuel tank. In all my years of notching tubes, this was a first. Luckily, I had the camera rolling. Now, it was time to start making some radiator mounts. Ah yes, dimple dies. If you are thinking of asking me why I would bother putting dimples in this part, first remind yourself that you're talking to a guy that's putting a street bike engine in a golf cart. I end up hitting each hole twice, once to form the dimple, and a second time to flatten the sheet back out. Right about now, I'm really glad I replaced the hand pump bottle jack with this electric over hydraulic unit. This should be plenty strong, get decent airflow, and it looks cool. I like it. All in all, I'm pleased with what I got done. This thing is coming along nicely. If you like what you see, be sure to hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next episode hits the web. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.